Malvertising will compromise your computer with malicious code that is downloaded to your system when you click on an affected ad. Cyber criminals upload infected display ads to different sites using ad networks. These ads are then distributed to sites that match certain keywords and search criteria. Once a user clicks on one of these ads, the malware will be downloaded and infect the system or network. Malvertising is sometimes confused with adware. Malvertising refers to malicious code initially included in ads and/or associated sites. Adware is a program that runs on a user's computer. It's often installed hidden inside a package that also contains legitimate software. Any website can be subject to malvertising, and many don't even know they've been compromised. The best way to prevent falling victim to malvertising is to use common sense. Any ad that promises free iPhones or cruises to the Bahamas is probably too good to be true, and therefore could be hiding malware. Malicious ads are compelling because they often provoke strong emotions and calls to action, tricking users into revealing their sensitive data and more. Here again, common sense and awareness is the best way to avert an attack, and user training can also help to keep your systems free of malvertising.